Troubleshooting Single CAC. Let's review the single CAC installation process and check each point by phase. In the installation preparation phase, first select an indoor or outdoor unit and its installation location. Install the indoor unit at a well-drained place where it can be easily connected to the pipe, where no obstacle disturbs indoor air suction near the suction nozzle, and where there's enough space for maintenance. Choose a place away from the kitchen and ventilation fan, or near the access door, and keep it out of exposure to sunlight. Keep a distance of at least 300 millimeters between the air suction nozzle of the outdoor unit and wall, and 700 millimeters between the air outlet and obstacle. Make sure to cut the pipe in a straight line. Remove the burr of the cutting part with the limer, as it can cause refrigerant leaks and malfunctions. Because the flare processing part interlocks with the connection unit, accurately check the state of the expansion pipe. Conduct flare work and use the torque wrench based on the standard when connecting the pipes of the indoor and outdoor units. Replace air inside the pipe with nitrogen before brazing. Nitrogen pressure of below 0.02 MPa, nitrogen pressure of below 0.02 megapascal, 0.2 kgf per square centimeter should be used. Push and fit the drainage hose into the drainage pipe of the indoor unit and connect and apply bond to the clamp so that no water leak occurs at the connection part. Install the hose in a downward slope and make sure to install the air vent. When using a refrigerant piping insulator, apply at least 9 mm of EPDM insulator to the liquid line and 13 mm to the gas line by referring to the standard thickness table. Make sure to use dedicated bond and tape for the insulator joint. Be sure to use a vacuum pump and nitrogen gas when checking for leaks and purging air. Pressurize nitrogen gas up to 3.8 megapascal using an R410A dedicated manifold gauge, and check if pressure is maintained for 24 hours. Perform a leak inspection by running a soapy water test at the same time. Trial operation will start if the set button is pressed after pressing the function setting button on the wired remote control for more than 3 seconds.